Proper floor preparation is crucial to avoid issues like uneven surfaces that can be seen through the floor covering, which can also translate to premature wear. Like painting a wall, a good foundation ensures a high quality finish for your floor coverings. This is true for all floor coverings, from epoxy paints to carpet tiles, vinyl planks, floating hybrid floors, and even glued down timber flooring. Before any tools touch the site, the substrate should be checked for moisture, a common cause of damage and flooring failures. Concrete and timber substrates can hide high humidity levels, leading to adhesive failures and bubbling under the floor covering. Here you can see moisture within the concrete slab, exposed to the air without any floor covering. In this state, the moisture can evaporate freely, keeping the surface dry. However, once the floor covering is installed, the situation changes. The floor covering prevents moisture from evaporating. As a result, the moisture rises and spreads evenly throughout the entire flooring system. This leads to moisture buildup under the floor. Over time, this can affect the levelling compounds, adhesives, and flooring material. Mechanical preparation is required to remove dirt, oils, and construction residues, ensuring a clean surface for flooring. Grinding and sanding eliminate high spots, while the levelling compounds fill up the low spots. This is all done using a HEPA dust extraction vacuum to ensure a safe environment. If moisture mitigation is needed, we apply moisture barriers to seal the substrate, protecting your investment from moisture damage. Let's examine a cross-section of flooring material that follows the undulations in the substrate. As you can see, when subfloor preparation is not done, the floor covering reflects the uneven surface of the concrete slab. This creates an unattractive, uneven appearance that can detract from the overall quality of the flooring. However, by applying a levelling compound beneath the flooring, we can address these low spots. The result is a smooth, level floor covering that enhances the look and feel of the entire space. This demonstrates the importance of proper underfloor preparation. Let's look at a cross-section of a floor with a hybrid flooring system placed over a dip in the substrate. In this scenario, the flooring is not fully supported due to the uneven substrate. When pressure is applied to the floor, it causes stress to travel through the locking system. This stress can lead to flexing and eventually the breaking of the locking system. This highlights the risks associated with inadequate subfloor preparation. After the grinding of any high spots, levelling compounds are used to fill the low spots, traditionally poured at 4 to 6 mm thickness, ensuring a flat, smooth substrate within the manufacturer's tolerances. Levelling compounds will give vinyl floor coverings, sheet or plank that mirror finish. Solid floors such as floating and glued timber and floating hybrid flooring rely on levelling compounds for the support needed in both protecting the locking mechanism and to minimise underfoot drumminess due to voids in the substrate. In some instances, feather finish can be used as a bare minimum over concrete floors. However, due to its thin application of 1 to 2 mm, whilst mitigating small subfloor imperfections and leaving the floor smooth, feather finish does not necessarily level the floor, something that may in fact be needed. When laying flooring over existing tiles, it is recommended to apply 3 to 4 mm of levelling compound. This will ensure you have a smooth and flat substrate, successfully filling all the grout lines so they're not visible through your floor covering. Every site is unique, requiring tailored preparation. We know that not every flooring company will quote the correct floor preparation, but we want to make sure you fully understand the reason why, so you can make an informed decision on how you proceed.